Dear student, today we are going to learn the topic that is rounding number. Now take example, we have to take example of two-digit number. Now we round the number to nearest to 10. Only one possibility in two-digit number, only one possibility is that we can rounding the number to the nearest 10. So we take one example, 87, number 87. Now 87 is in between 80 and 90. Okay. Now if you round the number to nearest 10 of this number 87, now it is much closer to this 90. So rounding this number 87 to nearest 10 is 90. Okay, understand student? Okay. Now three digit number. Now, if the three-digit number is there, now here the two possibilities are there. Either we can round the number to nearest to 10 or we can round the number to nearest to 100. Now see, if 356 is there, now 356 is in between if nearest to 10. So 350 and 360. Now it much closer to, yes student, 360. So rounding the number to nearest 10 of this number 356 is 360. Now nearest to 100. Now if you want to round the number 356 to nearest 100. So 356 is in between 300 and 400. Now see, it's much closer to, yes student, 400. Very good. So rounding the number 356 to nearest to 100 is 400. Okay. Now if take one example of this four digit number, if the number is of four digit, now if the number is a four digit number, then here three possibilities are there. Either we can yes, convert the round the number to nearest to 10 or nearest to 100 or nearest to 1000. If it is not given in your question that which either you have to round the number to nearest 100 or 10 or 1000, so it's up to you that if you convert it to nearest to 100 then solve. So it's no need to no worry to about that our answer is wrong, because if it is not given, so it's up to you that either you have to round it, if four digit numbers are, either you have to rounding it nearest to 10 or 100 or 1000. See, first nearest to 10. Now 1276, so it is in between, yes, 1270 and 1280. Now nearest to 10. So round this number 1276 to nearest 10 is, yes, 76 much closer than 80. So the nearest to 10 answer is 1280. Okay student. Now see, nearest to 100. Now if suppose you want to yes, round the number to nearest 100. So 1276 is in between 1000. Yes, this see, once 10 100, that means it is in between 200 and 300. So 1200 or 1300. So we see that 76 is much closer than near to 100. So that's why it's much closer to, yes, 1300. So nearest to 100, this 1276 is nearest to 100 number is 1300. That means 1300. And if you want to convert this round the number to nearest to 1000, then 1276 now is in between 1000 or 2000. Yes student, it much closer to 1000. So nearest to 1000 is 1000. Okay, up to 1500 and below is 1000, and above this is, yes student, 2000. Okay student. Now see, exercise 4.3. Now here the question is that rounding the number, it is not mentioned in your question that either you have to rounding 10 100 or whatever, but here the first question, see, 64 divided by 12, but only one possibility, two digits, that means rounding to 10, nearest to 10. So 64, now 64 is nearest to is in between 60 and 70, so nearest to, yes, 60. And yes, 12 is nearest to, yes, is between 10 and 20, so nearest to 10. So now your division will be now we will convert to 60 divided by 10. So 10 6 are 60. Okay, that means your estimate, yes, question is 6. Estimate question is 6. Now next question, 96 divided by 18. Now see, again two digit number, that means one possibility, rounding to nearest 10. Yes, so 96 is in between 90 and 100. So you see, is much closer to, yes student, yes, very good, it's much closer to 100, much closer to, yes student, 100. And here 18 is in between, only this is between either 10 or 20. Yes student, so much closer to 20. So now your division will become, yes, 100 divided by 20. Okay, so 20 5s are 100. So estimate quotient is 5. Now next, third question. Again two digit number, 67 divided by 29. Yes. Now 67 is in between 60 and 70. And 29 is in between 20 and 30. If you rounding this 67, it will become 70. That means now your question, this will become, division will become, yes, that means 70, yes, 70 divided by, yes beta, yes, 70 divide by, yes, now 29 will become nearest to, yes, 30, 30. So if you now your division will become this, like this, after rounding. So 70 divided by 30, so your estimate quotient is 2. 32 is a 60. Now 0 minus 0, 7 minus 6, 1. Okay student, now this 286 divided by 33. Now 286, three digit number, that means two possibility, either nearest to 10 or nearest to 100. So student, first of all you have to clear it that no need to solve both method. Okay, either you rounding the number to nearest 10 or rounding to nearest 100, it's up to you, both answer is correct. Okay, so 286, if rounding to nearest 10, it will become, yes, 286 is in between 280 and 290. Yes student, that means much closer to, yes, 290. Now it will become 290. And yes, 33 is between 30 and 40. Yes, that means closer to 30. Okay, now your division will become this. So 30 divided, this 290 divided by 30. So 30, here 27 smaller than 30, so we take 3 digit. So 30 9 ja, yes, 9 3 ja 27, 270. 9 minus 7, 2, and 2 minus 2, 0. So your estimate, yes, estimate quotient is 9 in case of nearest to 10. And if you take nearest to 100, then 286 is in between 200 or 300, and 33 only one possibility, that means 30 or 40, because this number is of two digit, one possibility, that means nearest to 10. Now 286, now 286 is between 200 and 300, so much closer to 300. Yes student, so your division will become 300, yes, divide by, yes student, 30. 300 divided by 30, so 30 10 ja 300, so estimate question is 10. Okay student, now this again two digit number, 507 divided by 29. So rounding, two possibility, rounding to nearest 10 or rounding to nearest 100, it's up to you. Again I am saying it's up to you, either you have to solve with nearest to 10 or to nearest to 100. Okay, if it is not mentioned in the question paper, if it is not mentioned, then either you can rounding to nearest 10 or nearest to 100, if three digit number is there, then okay. See, now 507 is in between nearest to 10. So it between 500 and 510, and 29 is in between 20 and 30. Okay. So see. So 507 is much closer to 510. So your division will become, now 507 will become 510. Yes. Divide by, yes, 29 is now, if nearest to 10, yes, student, 30. So 510 divided by 30. So 30, 1 ja 30. Subtract 1 minus 0, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, and 0 from here. So it will become 210. Now 30 table in 37 ja, yes, 210. 7 3 ja 21. So 210. Subtract 0 0. So estimate quotient for this number is 17, nearest to 10. Now if we are talking for talk this nearest to 100, then 507 is in between 500 and 600. Yes, so much closer to 500. So, and 29 again, yes, same, only two digits, so that's why nearest to 10. So 29 is much closer to 30. So now your division will become, now 507 will become 500, yes, divide by, yes, 30. C. So 31 ja 30, yes, 2 0 and 0 from here, 200 to 36 ja 180. Now, yes, 0 is not, so take one power from here, it will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So, estimate quotient for this division nearest to 10 is, nearest to 100, sorry, nearest to 100 is 16. Understand, student? Now, next question. 3978 divided by 18. Now, four digit number, three possibilities are there. Nearest to 10, nearest to 100, or nearest to 1000. It's up to you. Okay, student. So we take here both these two example, 10 and 1000. So 3978, now it will be in between 3970 or 3980. Okay, and 18 is in between 10 and 20. Okay, so 3970 much closer to 3900. So 3978 now will become, for after rounding to nearest 10, 3980 divided by, yes, now 18 will become 20. Okay, so 3980 divided by 20. Now 21 ja 20, 13 minus 20, 19. Yes, 8 from here, so 198. Now 26 ja 180, 27 ja, sorry, 29 ja, sorry, 29 6 ja 120, 27 ja 140, 28 ja 160, 29 ja 180. Now subtract 199 minus 180. So 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 8 1. Now 0 from here, 180. Again 29 is a 180. So estimate question for this division is, nearest to 10 is 199. And if you solve with this nearest to 1000, then 3978 is in between 3000 and 4000, and 18 same, 10 and 20. So it's much closer to 4000. Now division will become 4000, yes, divide by, yes, student, 20. So 4000 divided by 20, 20 to the 40. 0 0, now 0 from here, now 20, 0 is not digit, so 20 0 is 0, again 0 from here, so 20 0 is 0, so 200. So estimate question for this nearest to 1000 is 200. Understand, student? Okay, hope you understand.